Nagbabalik tayo dito sa Philoy Flying V Center for the fourth quarter of this game between the JRU Heavy Bombers and of course the University of Perpetual Health Autos. Today is July 14, 2017. Araw po ng Biyernes at araw rin ng sweldo, payday Friday. Martin Javier po naglilingkod para sa inyong lahat. At kasama ko si Mikey Reyes and of course Siege Tantenko at courtside to begin this payoff period. JRU with a 10-point lead, 50-40. Eze now. Oh, nice tap from behind for Butucci, stealing that ball. Castor now.
The first few minutes will be crucial for Perpetual. If they can make a run early in the fourth quarter, mas magiging madali yan to get this win.
Laschetti dumidiskarte against AJ Coronel. Wala yung tira ni Gio Laschetti.
Tingnan natin kung saan pupunta ang Perpetual. Of course, wala dyan si GJ Ilagan. Wala din si Gab Dagangon.
Kanino mapupunta ang scoring dito? Yuhiko! Corner 3 is good!
Yan ang mga bonus points na hinahanap ni Coach Jimwell Gikan to be able to cut to this deficit na wala yung top 2 scorers mo. Ay malaking bagay. At ito, they force another turnover sa JRU. Tingnan natin kung matutuloy ng Perpetual itong magandang simula.
They swing the ball around to that corner 3 coming from Jonathan Yuhiko. Most of the time, ito ang kapalitan ni Keith Kido. Pero ngayon, sabay silang nasa floor para kay Coach Jimwell Gikan.
Well, of course, kinounter ng Perpetual itong two-guard rotation ng JRU. Castor and Mendoza started the fourth. At ito, papasok na si Day Chodoro. So, two-guard sa two-guard ang nangyayari dito sa ating laro.
We expect a very fast-paced fourth quarter. JRU at Perpetual. Again, parehong kupunan. Naghahanap ng kanilang unang panalo dito sa Season 93. 3-point field goals natin. 7 from Perpetual, 5 mula sa JRU.
Turnover dito para kay Flash Sadiwa. Medyo malalim na yung drive niya ngayon. Tingnan natin kung mabawi nito ni Flash. Kaya ito, pinag-pressure niya yung ball handler ng JRU.
Sadiwa gustong pumawi dito sa depensa. Mendoza escaping the defense of Sadiwa. Laschetti pulls up and he knocks it down.
You really have to admire itong si Jed Mendoza, the starting point guard of JRU. Hindi masyado sumuscore siya. Hindi katulad ng first game, pero talaga sineset up niya yung teammates niya sa pagkakataon yun. Si Laschetti naman for that open jumper.
Yuhiko naman sa kabila. Heat check for him. Balik ang kalamangan dito sa Sham for the JRU Heavy Bombers.
Ito na yung matchup na hinahanap natin.
Teodoro at Pido. And Keith Pido winning that matchup in that sequence. Eze nalibre sa kabila. Eze puts it in.
So, dalawang beses na naiisahan ni Keith Pido itong si Day Chodoro. At ito naka-convert pa si Prince Eze. So this lead is cut back down to 7.
Tay Mendoza.
Talagang pag-drive ni Mendoza, nakukuha niya yung depensa sa ilalim. At yun, open na naman si Gio Laschetti sa labas. So yung nabibigay nitong si Jed Mendoza, hindi masyado napapansin sa laro na to. Pero laki, malaking factor siya sa opensa ng JRU.
Samantala, ito yung fast break play kanina mula sa Perpetual Health Autos. Keith Kido recognizing the open Prince Eze on the other end for the easy deuce.
Eto na naman tayo, Martin.
Mag-step back ba ulit siya? Day. Binigay kay David. Laschetti pulling up for that jumper. Wala. Eze secures the board.
And the defense of Perpetual nagpapakita na sa fourth quarter nito, starting with their top point guard in Keith Pido.
There's Pido now. Binigay kay Coronel. They swing the ball around. Dagangon hesitated. Didn't take the shot. Pido now with the ball. Back to Yuhiko with a fake. Foul yan mula dito kay Tay Chodoro.
Sumobra doon yung closeout ni Tay Chodoro. Pero we have to comment talaga itong si Keith Pido. Kada siya ang kumukuha kay Tay. Nasa stop niya itong si Tay.
Medyo na tuhod doon ni Tay Chodoro. Itong si Jonathan Yuhiko for his third foul of the game. 14 seconds to shoot for Perpetual Health. Dagangon double team, shoots over the two defenders and knocks the shot down.
Sabi ni Gab Dagangon, kung ang starting point guard ko, ginagawa yung inuutos sa kanya, dumidepensa, gagawin ko rin yung inuutos sa akin, which is, gumawa naman ng puntos para sa Perpetual. Gab Dagangon with that big three.
Teodoro naman, gustong bumawi, step back. Oh, Tay Teodoro!
Tay Teodoro showing Keith Pido. Nasandali lang, nakakailang ka na sa akin. Ito, step back muna kita for that big three.
5 3-point bombs already for Tay Teodoro. 21 points para sa kanya. Here's Pido now. That's a turnover for Perpetual. Mendoza, ginamit ang katawan. Off the glass and is good rather for Jed Mendoza.
The aggressiveness ni Jed Mendoza. Whether siya ang gumagawa ng pasa, siya ang gumagawa ng assist. The important thing is he stays aggressive for JRU.
At ito, napatawag na ng timeout si Coach Jim Walgican. Magbabalik kami dito sa NCAA on SNA.
At kayo nakatutok sa NCAA Season 93 dito lang sa SNA. Kagagaling lang natin sa timeout and ang Perpetual Altas top priority nila right now is keeping the players in the right frame of mind. Sabi ng coaching staff nila, kaya nating i-cut down ang lead na ito within 2 minutes. Pero hindi nyo ito magagawa if you keep forcing threes. Ang gusto ngayon ng coaching staff nila, take it one step at a time. Maybe you go for the 2 shots and then only do threes kapag uncontested. Back to you, Martin.
Maraming salamat, Siege. And yeah, good advice from the coaching staff for Perpetual Health Altas because they were hitting the threes in the first half. GJ Ilagan had 4. But in the second half, medyo nagsistruggle niya sila dito. And they should take advantage of their height inside dahil nandyan nga si Prince Eze.
Tama doon, you can cut the lead quickly. Kaya naman yun kung tutusin, pero hindi niyo kailangan pilitin. Slowly but surely, makakabalik itong Perpetual, but they will need to make stops. Kasi nga ito, minute na naman si Tay-Tay.
Pero Dagangon! Sinuway yung coaching staff nag-dress. Samantala, meron tayong tweets dito, Arriba King. Nakakamiss ang pamamaril ni Tay Teodoro kay Mikey Reyes.
Kanina ko pa nga tinitingnan si Tay-Tay, parang seryoso siya ngayon. hindi masyado naglalaro ngayon si Tay-Tay in terms of yung mga antics niya. Pero ito na. Ayan na! Baril ni Tay-Tay!
Right on cue, Mikey!
Kita mo naman another step back 3 from Tay Teodoro.
Si Ewan Panad naman na-miss niya sa NCAA kundi si Siege today. Mas lalo gumanda daw ngayon. Next naman Siege. At siyempre, go JRU. That is coming from a JRU fan na masaya rin siguro ngayon with a 10-point lead.
Saktong-sakto nga naman doon. Tsaka pangalawang tres na ni Dagangon ang sinagot ni Tay Teodoro.
Tignan natin ulit yan.
The stars of both teams coming out to play here in the fourth quarter. Ayun! Alam mo, ligang labas lang ang laro para kay Tay Teodoro.
Tay Teodoro namamaril na dito sa fourth quarter natin. The lead is down to 8.
Ito, hindi makalapit talaga ang Perpetual. Sa totoo lang, gumaganda ang opensa ng Perpetual. Kaya lang, Teodoro continuing to make top shots over Keith Pido.
Perpetual, nice defense in that sequence to come up with a steal. Chance to trim this lead down to 5 or 6. Dagangon turnover. Lasqueti will slow it down. Binigay kay Grospe.
Good decision para kay Lasqueti to slow things down. Hindi natin kailangan magmadali. Bigay natin yung bola kay Tay-Tay at panoorin natin siya.
Ito na si Tay-Tay against Keith Pido. Tay-Tay! Oh! Tay Teodoro!
Tay Teodoro. It's Tay-Tay's quarter here sa ating fourth quarter. Actually, yung 3 sa 4 na quarter sa kanya talaga.
Tay Teodoro up to 26 points now here in the game. Doubling his total from their first game or opening game against, of course, the LPU Pirates.
At ano ang pagbabago na ginawa ni Coach Virel Meneses para maging ganito si Tay-Tay sa ating second game? Stinart niya si Tay-Tay, binigyan niya ng kumpiyansa. Sa'yo na to, ikaw ang magsa-start simula pa lang, kunin mo na yung rhythm mo, 26 points, 6 of 13 from 3-point range. Kita mo, kumpiyansado. And again, hindi lang yun, 7 rebounds and 3 assists for Tay Teodoro.
Nanggaling yan nung second quarter, Mikey. Dahil, syempre, 10 points siya nung first quarter. But he got his teammates involved in the second. Putucci at Lasqueti yung binigay ng bola doon.
Tsaka tingnan mo tong stat na to, Martin. Nung first game nila, 13 field goals all in all para kay Tay-Tay. Ngayon, 13 from the outside lang. So kitang-kita mo, agresibong-agresibo itong si Tay-Tay pagpasok ng pangalawang laro nila.
Samantala, Mintes mula kay Dagangon. With under 4 minutes to go here in the fourth and final period. Lasqueti. Putucci looking for Grospe. Dagangon with a nice steal. And anticipation, Pido. That's an offensive foul.
A little too aggressive doon para kay Keith Pido. Pero I like this substitution. Pero tingnan muna natin ito, Martin.
Tingnan natin itong Vivo perfect shot, perfect selfie. Coming from Gab Dagangon, step back, top of the key, 3 for him.
Yung skill level ang ating mga manlalaro, kitang-kita sa larong ito. Pero ang ganda ng substitution dito ni Coach Beryl Meneses, inupuna muna niya si Tay-Tay Teodoro with a 10-point lead. Tingnan natin kung kakailanganin pa niya ipasok si Tay-Tay.
Dagangon got fouled on the break. Si Lasqueti ang matatawagan dito. Only his second foul in the game.
Nakakapagpahinga dito si Tay-Tay. Ayaw nga naman maubos ni Coach Beryl. Ngayon, 10 ang lamang. Ayaw niyang maubos ang kanyang star player para kung kakailanganin ka man sa ating last 2 minutes, fresh na fresh pa si Tay-Tay Teodoro.
Pero nasa penalty na rin itong JRU Heavy Bombers. So the Perpetual Help Altas can opt to slow this game down.
Kaya lang, sayang itong mga freebies ni Gab Dagangon. Para sa kabila naman sa Perpetual, ito ang chance nila na makahabol dito sa JRU. Kaya lang nasa committee stable na pala. Ito si Tay-Tay Teodoro.
Di man lang nag-init yung put sa bench. Babalik agad dito sa ating laro.
Naninigurado na si Coach Beryl Meneses.
And 2 misses from Gab Dagangon.
Sayang.
Very unusual for him. Putucci now. De La Vergen, 8 to shoot. Putucci, mid-range J. Putucci rolls it in!
Tay-Tay Teodoro though, nasa committee stable. Pinapanood itong si Abdel Putucci again converting. Ang laki na ng tutulong ng big man ni Coach Beryl Meneses.
Abdel Putucci, 11 points in the game. Eze securing that offensive board. They swing it around. Pido, sumalaksak. Pido, sinabayan ng depensa ng JRU. But 2 misses for Perpetual Help in that play.
At ito, nag-dead ball, pagkakataon, pumasok. Pero tingnan natin ulit yung step back jumper ni Gab Dagangon. Yung mahirap na shoot niya. Medyo nakita yung reaction natin.
Ramdam natin yung intensity dito. Yun yung tres ni Tay-Tay Teodoro.
Tama naman yung skill level nga ng ating mga malalaro dito sa NCAA. Kitang-kita. Yung mga step back 3-pointers na yun, mahirap yun. Pero nagmumukhang madali para sa ating mga players as we look at Tay-Tay Teodoro. Nung first day natin, yung opening day natin, Kent Salado, Prof. Arellano scored 24 points. And only our 4th day dito sa ating season 93, natapatan na kagad ni Tay-Tay Teodoro. Outscoring yung performance na yun ni Salado by 2 points. 26 points na para kay Tay-Tay Teodoro with 2 minutes left. Tingnan natin kung madadagdagan pa nyo. Baka umawat pa ng 30 to.
Tingnan natin, Mikey. Putucci. Binigay kay Grospe. Balik kay Putucci. Baseline J. Back-to-back jumpers for Abdel Putucci, Mikey.
Pati si Abdel Putucci sumi-step back jumper na rin. Ano tinuturo ni Coach Beryl Meneses sa mga to?
Sa kabila naman, Ilagan Mintes. Lasqueti securing the board for JRU, who are now up by 14 points. Approaching the last 2 minutes of this game. Teodoro. Nice D from Flash Sadiwa. Tay-Tay, yun lang, Mikey. 5 fouls for Tay-Tay Teodoro.
So I guess his day ends with 26 points. As we look at this, you know,
Step back, Jay.
Abdel Putucci. Tinuturuan natin ni Tay-Tay, itong big man niya.
Reverse, Abdel Putucci nakuha ang kumpiyansa dito sa ating laro.
Not the best ending for Tay-Tay Teodoro, although 26 points nga.
Ito ang ating Vivo player profile Tay Teodoro, 26.7 rebounds, 3 assists.
And 5 fouls.
And 5 fouls. Of course, fouling out in this game with 6 out of 13 from the Rainbow Country. Tay Teodoro had himself a game for JRU. They're on the driver's seat right now. Sadiwa. Wala yung tira ni Flash Sadiwa. Christian Casas pinasok na rin for Perpetual. De La Virgen, hindi na nila kailangan magmadali dito.
Ito na, papasok na yung pag-assistant coach ni Gio Lasqueti.
Oo.
Relax lang guys, lamang tayo.
De La Virgen, dinidikitan ni Yuhiko. De La Virgen pa rin may tangan ng bola. Binigay kay Jed Mendoza. Masok sa loob, Mendoza, wala. Oh, but he gets the ball back off the glass. Still no good for Jed Mendoza. Putucci, second offensive board.
Third offensive foul. Para kay Abdel Putucci. Laki talaga ng braso kasi ni Abdel. Hindi. 2 free throws, Martin.
Oh, iba na yung tawag dito kay Abdel Putucci. AJ Coronel ang matatawagan dito. And both teams are in the penalty right now. That means 2 free throws for Abdel Putucci with under a minute left here in the fourth.
Abdel Putucci, I'm sure Coach Berel Meneses is very proud
Yes.
of his import. Matagal ng project ni Coach Berel Meneses itong si Abdel Putucci, pero itong season 93 medyo lumalabas na yung laro. As we look at King Eze, maganda rin yung performance ni Prince Martin.
12 points, 16 rebounds, 2 blocks for Prince Eze. But it wasn't enough for Perpetual Health. 66-52. JRU with the lead. Sadiwa isolating against Putucci. Sadiwa forcing that one up. We have a foul here against Irvin Grospe.
Medyo masikip doon yung offense ng Perpetual. You saw na gusto ni Flash Sadiwa, i-one-on-one itong si Abdel Putucci, knowing that he had the speed advantage. Kaya lang, medyo hindi same page yung buong team niya yun kasi medyo masikip yung drive niya yun. Pero na-bail out siya doon sa foul and 2 free throws for Flash Sadiwa.
Flash Sadiwa only with 4 points, 2 out of 7. Dito sa ating laro after scoring 10 points with 6 rebounds, 2 assists against the CSB Blazers. As we see, the man of the game, Tay Teodoro, 26 points. Oh. Sadiwa makes both, down to a 12-point lead, 38 seconds remaining.
Bigay muna natin kay Gio Lasqueti. Siya na magsiset ng play.
Lasqueti surveying the floor. Tao-tao na itong Perpetual Health. Grospe, bothered by Ilagans defense. Bail-out foul for Perpetual.
But this will sting for Perpetual, the team of Coach Jim Wilquica. Of course, their first game, they won that game,
yes,
score-wise. Kaya lang yun nga, yung technicality dito sa kanilang jersey cost them that win. So 0-1 sila entering this game. Masakit na yun as it is. Ito naman, hindi pa nila nakuha yung panalo. 0-2 start for Perpetual.
Hopefully, this will leave them, hungrier for their first win dito sa season 93.
Masakit doon kasi yung napanalo mo, talo din.
Talo din, oo. Pero ang nakabangga nila dito, one of the probably good teams dito sa NCAA season 93, JRU Heavy Bombers. But they competed.
And of course, JRU with arguably one of the most elite scorers natin dito sa NCAA.
Christian Casas. Clemente losing the ball, and that marks the end of our game. The JRU Heavy Bombers scoring their first win of the season with a 14-point win over the Perpetual Health Autos. Our final score, 68-54. Great performance for JRU, Mikey.
Again, game of runs ang nakita natin dito. Pero simula ng second half, nag-take over na si Tay Teodoro for the Heavy Bombers. At yung depensa nila nakita din. Of course, talking about JRU, 54 points para sa Perpetual, the lowest output dito sa ating season 93. Kaya nga naman, both offense and defense nakita natin from JRU.
Ang ating tangkad-sagad scorer of the game, chair for PGM, tangkad-sagad scorer of the game, that is, sino pa ba, Mikey? Tay Teodoro, really having a game for himself here against the University of Perpetual Help. 26 points, 7 rebounds, and 3 assists.
And ang matindi dito, nothing new for Tay Teodoro. One half of the Blast Brothers, of course, umalis na yung kapatid niya. So ngayon, sa kanya na talaga itong JRU. Nothing new for Tay, just another day in the office for Mr. Teodoro.
Tay Teodoro also named our player of the game. Dahil sino pa ba ang pipiliin natin, doing it all for his team. And of course, more importantly, Mikey, securing that first victory for the Heavy Bombers.
Of course, Tay Teodoro, 26.7 rebounds and 3 assists. But of course, we have to commend his teammates. Abdel Potucci with 13, Gio Laschetti with 11, Irvin Grosby with 8. So talagang collective effort ang napakita ng JR dito, and which is what they will need sa mga susunod na games nila, especially against the higher teams of the league.
At ito nga ang ating final score, 68-54. This is a 14-point win for the JRU Heavy Bombers. Coach Rahel Meneses probably happy now, Mikey. Hindi na niya papagalitin yung mga bata
Pero
niya.
hindi pa rin kita sa
Hindi pa
hindi pa rin kita sa mukha niya na happy siya.
Happy siya. In the meantime, coming up next, EAC Generals sa unang laro nila dito sa Season 93. They'll be up against the CSB Blazers, who are now 1-0 in the season. CSB Blazers looking to continue their streak. Samantala, JRU again securing this victory in our first game of this payday, Friday, July 14, 2017. Maraming salamat po sa pagtutok nyo dito sa SNA. In behalf of our broadcast team today, Mikey Reyes, Siege Tantenko, Larry Diang, our director, Abet Ramos. Maraming salamat po muli sa pagtutok dito sa NCAA Season 93. We're NCAA strong. Magbabalik kami dito sa SNA.